All right, we'll get started. Those who are kind of standing around, if you could come to the second row, it's fully open here, so please come forward. Um, Hello, everyone. My name is Ruben Rathnasingham. I'm the Assistant Dean for Health Product Innovation at the Dell Medical School, and welcome to the Texas Health Catalyst Roundup and Rodeo. This event represents the culmination of a 5-month-long program, and we're going to showcase some of the most interesting and promising health innovations that are coming out of UT. Happy Lunar New Year. It starts today, and it happens to be the year of the snake, which represents wisdom and transformation. And I think it's very fitting because here we are talking about transformative health innovations, and we have a ton of very wise people around us who have come up with these innovations and who supported these teams and moved them forward. So I think it bodes well for us this year. We're going to have a pretty exciting agenda over the next 2 hours. In addition to hearing from these teams, you're also going to hear from a diverse set of UT and Dell Med leadership, our health associates, folks who run the operations of the program, and those that are empowering these faculty and students to move their technologies, translate their innovations forward, and commercialize them. Now, many of you know, the program is administered at the Dell Medical School, but we could not do this without a whole bunch of partners within UT, including engineering, pharmacy, natural science, and the various groups at Discovery to Impact, as well as some external partners that we highlight here. So to kick things off, as part of this diverse group of people who you will hear from, I would like to invite Dr. Steve Ecker to come up and say a few words. Dr. Ecker is the Associate Dean at Dell Medical School and Associate Vice President at UT. He oversees the newly minted Office of Innovation and Entrepreneurship at the Dell Medical School, and we're very excited to have him lead us forward. And the Office of Innovation and Entrepreneurship includes the Texas Health Catalyst program underneath there. So Steve, if you could come up, say a few words. Thank you.